it's Kim here again to show you how to keep your home healthy and clean. Today we're going to tackle the carpet. It hasn't been cleaned in a while, so dirt and germs have really built up thanks to pets, kids, and a lot of spills. Step 1. Grab a bucket of water, some vinegar, and a hairbrush. Step 2. Completely forget about them. Step 3. Call your local Chem-Dry. Whoa, it's like getting everything out.
Our solution is green certified, so it's safe and non-toxic. We use a process called hot carbonating extraction, so tiny bubbles are going into the carpet to lift up the dirt, dust, and allergens.
Right, I understood everything you just said.
You're all set.
Cool, so it'll be dry in what, a day or two?
No, we use 80% less water than typical steam cleaning, so it'll just take 1 to 2 hours.
What? That's only half of a Lord of the Rings movie. You can get your carpets fresh and looking like new again too, with just a little help from Chem-Dry. Check out the link below for more, and I'll see you next time.